Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate marketing campaigns into Squarespace step by step clearly. First, log in to your Squarespace account. Access the dashboard and select the website you want to work on. Navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Choose the page where you want to add your affiliate marketing content. Click on the plus button to create a new section or add to an existing section. Select the type of content block you wish to use, such as text, image, or button. For text, click on the text block to start editing. Write engaging content that includes your affiliate links. Ensure that your affiliate links are correctly formatted. If using images, click on the image block. Upload the image associated with your affiliate product. Add a caption or description that includes your affiliate link. To create a button, click on the button block. Enter the text you want to display on the button, like "Buy now" or "Learn more." Link the button to your affiliate URL by pasting it into the link field. Customize the style of your text, images, or buttons as desired. Preview the changes to ensure everything looks good. Publish the changes once you're satisfied with the layout and content. Test all affiliate links to ensure they direct correctly. Monitor your campaign performance via your affiliate dashboard. Adjust your content as necessary based on performance insights. That's it. Your affiliate marketing campaign is now integrated into Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.